What's up? Your boy Dominoes 7 is here with another video. Alright? Like to welcome y'all to this vlog here and stuff like that, you know. You know something? I just got the news earlier this morning, shortly before I done a live stream here on YouTube and stuff like that. I got the message on Google that Sesame Street got a new Muppet, okay? A new character, new neighbor, whatever you want to call it, okay? G Young, alright? Yeah, you know, you know what? I want to let y'all know something. I only been watching the old Sesame Street on YouTube back in the day, you know. Yes, I still watch Sesame Street, you know. That's the best educational show in the world, okay? The best educational show in another language, Plaza Sesamo, okay? Yeah, Plaza Sesamo, yeah. So, how I know about that, because I used to live in Texas, you know. I was living in Texas after Katrina. Well, I'll talk about that another time, okay? So, I just got the message about the new Muppet and stuff like that. You know, I love Muppets. Back in the day, I used to watch the Muppet Show. Yeah. And you know, I didn't know that the Muppet Show came out before I was even born, you know. I thought it came out in the 90s or whatever, you know. Okay. But this new character, Sesame Street, the first Asian American Muppet, you know. And you know, I'm looking at that Muppet on my TV screen right now. She beautiful, you know. Yeah, I like this. I need to start watching the new Sesame Street, you know. I'm 37 years old, ladies and gentlemen. I don't care how old I am. I will still watch educational shows. I don't have no kids, you know. I watch Coco Melon sometime, you know. I watch Paw Patrol sometime. Loud House, you know. Yeah, I still watch Nickelodeon, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. That's why I used to make those announcements of new episodes and new shows and everything on Nickelodeon and stuff like that, you know. Okay. Yeah, I need to start watching the new Sesame Street more often, you know. I'm glad Ernie and Bert's still on Sesame Street. Elmo's still there, you know. Yeah, so some of the same people from Sesame Street is still on Sesame Street. I hope Gordon's still there, you know. Yep. I mean, yes indeed. I need to start watching Sesame Street again, you know. I know Sesame Street changed over the years, you know. I know it did. But you know what? I gotta start watching it again. You know, all I've been doing was watching Sesame Street, the old Sesame Street on YouTube, you know, here on YouTube. That's what I've been doing, you know. Yeah, and you know, I watch old cartoons and stuff like that. I mean, I need to get into all that, you know, okay? By me doing my gameplays and stuff like that, gameplay watches and stuff like that, you know, I gotta get into this, you know? Yep. So it say that, I kind of wonder, did she debut yesterday to today, November the 16th, 2021, you know? Yep. So I must say, y'all, this is great, you know. So what I'm gonna do after I get off this, I'm gonna watch this video of G Young, okay? This new Muppet, you know. See how I like it, you know. So whenever I have time, I'll come back and tell y'all how I feel about it, okay? All right. So I don't know when I'm gonna come back with that, you know, but I will come back, all right? I don't know when, you know, because I really enjoy Sesame Street, you know. That's the best educational show in the world, okay? Yep. And you know, I still watch the Four Tops segment with the bus stop song, BUSSTOP, bus stop sign, yeah. I be watching that sometime, you know. Yes, I do. BUSSTOP. Yeah, I like that song. Standing at the bus stop sign, waiting for the bus to arrive. And I still do that, though. I do stand by the bus stop sign in real life, waiting for the bus to arrive. I still do that, y'all. I really do that, okay? I do that a lot. You know, stand at the bus stop sign waiting for the bus to arrive. I still do that, you know. Okay? So, tell me what y'all think. If your children watch Sesame Street, make sure y'all comment below and tell me, okay? Alright, so I would like to know your opinion. You watch me on a Domino 866 channel or you watch me on a Domino 7 channel. But, well, I think I'm going to upload this on the Domino 7 Show channel too. I think I'll do that. I don't know. If I don't do it, then, okay, I'm sorry. Okay? Well, I changed my mind. I'm not going to upload on the Domino 7 Show channel because that channel is for episodes only. Okay? The Domino 7 Show episodes only. Okay? And Facebook Live videos only. Okay? Alright, so that's all I'm going to say, y'all. Alright, so watch that Sesame Street, and if you have any comments, comment below, okay, and tell me what do y'all think. Alright, I love it. Alright, so I'm about to watch the video of it right now, okay, on YouTube. Alright, goodbye.